In this video, we'll demonstrate weekly maintenance. On a weekly basis, clean the pipette heads and the eject plate while the instrument is turned off. Do this prior to running the weekly maintenance method on the ICS. First, we'll clean the pipette heads. In preparation for cleaning the pipette heads, move the gantry. On the 8-channel pipette head, clean the tip eject sleeves with a lint-free cloth or Kim wipe wetted with deionized water or microcide. Never spray cleaning solution directly onto the instrument. Always spray directly onto the Kim wipe. Continue by cleaning the stop disc and O-rings of the pipette head. Do not get liquid inside the tip channel. Use the flossing technique to clean the pipette channels on the 96-channel core head. Next, we'll clean the eject plate. Remove the eject plate from the instrument and clean with a Kim wipe wetted with 70% isopropyl alcohol or 70% ethanol. Replace the eject plate. Clean the inside and outside of the front protective cover with a lint-free cloth or Kim wipe, dampened with deionized water. This will prevent dust or other foreign material from falling onto the work deck and contaminating an assay. Next, we'll run the weekly maintenance method. On the ICS main menu, select Maintenance, then select Weekly Maintenance. At the MPE waste check stage, inspect the MPE waste container. Failure to empty the MPE waste container can damage the MPE module. If the liquid level meets or exceeds the indicator line, empty the container. Refer to the daily maintenance video for details. Select the completed MPE waste check checkbox and select Continue. Next, we'll clean the deck and tip waste. At the deck and tip waste stage, select Yes to execute. At the auto-load tray stage, confirm that there's no carrier on the auto-load tray. Select OK to continue. At the carrier stage, remove all carriers from the auto-load tray and clean the carriers. Select OK to continue. At the deck stage, open the front protective cover and clean the work deck. Select OK to continue. At the tip waste stage, empty and clean the tip waste container. Select OK to continue. At the auto-load stage, clean the glass on the barcode reader with a lint-free cloth or cotton swabs lightly soaked with 70% ethanol. Select OK to continue. Next, we'll check the teaching needles. At the tightness check 1000 microliter channel stage, confirm that the teaching needles are on the work deck. If they're not, load them on the work deck, and then select Yes to execute the check. At the CLLD check 1000 microliter channel stage, you are again prompted to confirm that the teaching needles are on the work deck. Select Yes to execute the check. When the method is complete, return the carriers to the auto-load tray. Load tube carrier 1 in the far left position. Working left to right, successively load each of the remaining carriers. Select OK. We completed the weekly maintenance. Next, we'll perform the MPE flush.